Which of the following does not highlight a point of difference between the patrician and the populist purposes of art? Option A. The former placed importance on the producers of arts. Let us look at the last paragraph. The first line of the last paragraph states that the patrician purpose of art was concerned about the people making the art, while the second line states that the populist purpose of art was more concerned with the consumer of art. That the shift from patrician to populist was shift of power from the producer to the consumer. Option B. The former was a competition to the established works of Hollywood. The passage does not mention or suggest that the patrician form of art was a competition to the works of Hollywood. So option B cannot be inferred as a difference. That is, it does not highlight a point of difference between the patrician and the populist purpose of art. Option C. The latter saw arts as leisure and as a way to enthrall the audience. The last line of the second paragraph, it states that populism refers to art's role as entertainment. Here, art's role as entertainment, while the last line of the third paragraph says that patrician art institutions were challenged and in many cases transformed by those who believed the arts weren't there to elevate or divert, that is to entertain, but to provoke. So it can be clearly inferred that the latter saw arts as leisure, populists saw arts as leisure, and patricians saw as a way, and patricians saw art as a means to provoke their audience. Option D. The latter was not elitist and was made for the masses. This option can be inferred from the second line of the last para. It says, during the 80s in the arts as in so many other spheres of life, Margaret Thatcher sought to shift power from the producer to the consumer, using the market to disempower the provocative in favor of the populist. That is, from political theatre groups to the high avant-garde to the masses, that is the consumer, the populist. So we can see that option D is also a point of difference between the patrician and the populist purpose of art. The only point that does not highlight a point of difference is option B, and hence it is the correct answer to this question.